How to make the world's best cranberry pecan pie. Tart cranberries and orange zest help to balance out the sweetness of a traditional pecan pie. For the filling, whisk together 1 cup of granulated sugar and 3 large eggs. Stir in 1 cup of corn syrup, or you could use the same amount of honey. Add a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and the zest of 1 orange. Whisk together and make sure everything is blended well. And the last ingredient, stir in 1 cup of fresh cranberries. You can use frozen cranberries if you need to, but I've had the best results using fresh. Pour the filling into a standard-sized unbaked pie shell. I'll leave a link in the description for 2 of my favorite pie crust recipes. I like to decorate the top with a few extra pecans. Make sure to coat the pecans with a little bit of the filling to give them a nice shine as the pie bakes. And I think it needs a cranberry right in the very middle. Bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for around 1 hour and 20 minutes. It seems like a long time, but just keep check on the browning. All ovens are different. Baking times can vary between 1 hour and 10 minutes to 1 hour and a half. You'll know the pie is done when the filling puffs and it just begins to crack. It's best to let the pie cool completely before serving. If you'd like printable recipes, visit my website at doublestopbakeshop.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.